ran into a little hiccup. I guess on the new superchargers, they changed this bolt. You see how this bolt threads in? Stops right there hella early. And the old one, it goes all the way through. Did some research on the Ford forums. I found out the supercharger changed, and they changed these bolts. So when you order a supercharger, you gotta order those new bolts. So I'm just waiting on that. Then I'm gonna put everything else back and just do that last. Swapped over the lid. Just have it ready to go. Learn something new every day.